Hi, my name is Karuna Mohapatra. I have 11 years of teaching experience in Delhi school in C.B.Sc board. My main teaching subject is science and I have been teaching science from past 11 years in 6th, 7th and 8th grade. Apart from science in Delhi schools, I have been also teaching GK, moral science, vocal music and maths. As far as my education qualifications are concerned, I have done B.Sc in chemistry honors, B.Ed from IP University, then Master of Art in Education. Apart from my academic qualifications, I have won gold medal in 6th and 7th Panchak Silat Delhi State Championship in 2023 and 24. I have also won bronze medal in the Federation Cup in the year 2023 and 24. Thank you so much.